Monaco Diplomat for sale in Fountain City, Wisconsin 54629. Spread your wings and fly with this 2000 Monaco Diplomat. This Class A motorhome is 38 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong powered Cummins diesel pusher engine mated with an automatic Allison transmission. This RV has one slide out, one awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, leveling system and captain's chairs. With only 48,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Monaco will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2000 Monaco Diplomat is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great layout, one OwnerGreat Cooking Area with 3-burner Stove and Convection Microwave / OvenHigh Quality CabinetryRefrigerator / FreezerLarge kitchen SinkDinette with bench seating televisions around, SoundDVD / CD / StereoSofa ChairsLarge bathroom with ShowerMaster queen-size bed full-size master closet / DresserOnan generator and so much more. This 2000 Monaco Diplomat is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Monaco is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2000 Monaco Diplomat.